Lady B here. This is day number 6 of the 30 days of videos for December. Most of them are calling them Vlogmas, as you all already know. This is the inside of my van, and it looks, well, halfway packed. If I step back, you'll see that it's still got a lot of room. That's where Marlene's got to stick her stuff. I'm about to go over to pick her up. But anyhow, I just want to tell you all, and I know I've been kind of teasing you all for the last couple of days, but I have had to completely switch what I was going to do for this craft fair because of a reason that I will show you in just a minute. But anyhow, I'm going to put you on pause, and I'm going to take you up and open the side door and let you see what I got up there. And this is the side view. There's our little cart we're going to use to haul stuff in. And on the other side of this bifold door, if I can lift it up, oh, there's all kinds of stuff over there too. When I was loading the van yesterday, or no, this morning, I was in a hurry, and I even put things in the front seat, and I thought, oh gosh, I can't do that. Marlene's going to sit there. But anyhow, I got stuff everywhere, but got to get up there and get set up. But anyhow, let me put you on pause once again, and I'm going to go back to the back door, and I'll tell you what I've been talking about the last few days. Okay. I'm going to show you something. And this is not what you're supposed to be wearing, but this is my left arm right at the moment. I might share some of the pictures that I took, but 2 weeks, maybe 3 weeks ago, I fell in the side yard trying to get some stuff cleaned up. The grass was wet, and I turned around, and I was getting ready to come in the house, and I fell. I thought I just sprained it or stoved it because it was black and blue, and it hurt clear to my elbow. But the other day when I went to my doctor, I showed him, and he felt it, and he says, "Girl," he says, "you broke your arm." So he said, "It's too late to do anything about it now." He said they'd have to re-break it. Now he knows me. He knows that I wouldn't go to the doctor to have it re-broke. So this brace is the one that I wear for my carpal tunnel, and it works because it holds it stiff, and he told me not to take it off, but I actually have. But it is what it is. You all have heard me say that probably too many times. But yeah, it hurts like a toothache, and there wasn't any kind of bones or anything sticking up until after Thanksgiving, I guess. And I didn't bear the weight on that arm, but I did lift the turkey and the roaster and stuff and cook dinner. But after that, there was a little bone, and I don't know if I'll be able to show you because I've only got one hand. But right, no, can't show you. Right there under that strap right there in the bone, there's a little bitty bone sticking up there right now. But he said I probably dislodged it in lifting something heavy. So he told me to come home and keep it on, but I can't tell you that I do that all the time. But anyhow, I'm in a hurry. I've got to stop by the bank on the way up the road. So I will talk to you all later. Y'all take care, stay safe, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.